Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the City National Bank of Florida app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. City National Bank of Florida is a mobile banking app designed to help users manage their accounts conveniently from anywhere. The app offers features such as mobile check deposits, real-time transaction tracking, bill payments, funds transfers, and account management tools. It also supports secure biometric login, customizable alerts, and easy access to customer support, all within a streamlined and intuitive interface. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app's simplicity and fast navigation, making routine banking tasks easy and efficient. The mobile deposit feature and transaction alerts are particularly useful for staying on top of finances. Many users also like the convenience of transferring funds between accounts and paying bills without needing to visit a branch. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users have reported occasional glitches and slow loading times, especially during peak hours. Advanced banking features may be limited compared to online or branch banking. Additionally, some customers find the alert customization options somewhat basic, depending on their preferences. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the City National Bank of Florida app may be worth using if you're looking for a secure and convenient way to manage everyday banking on your mobile device. It excels in accessibility, ease of use, and essential banking functions. However, if you need more advanced financial tools or experience frequent technical issues, it might not fully meet your requirements. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.